This is a lovely detox pumpkin soup that I love to make. It's warm and nourishing and so comforting. It's instantly going to get you healthy. It only takes 20 minutes to make, and this is how easy it is. So all you've got to do is combine 1 whole leek that's been finely sliced, 2 beautiful organic carrots, 2 stalks of celery, and last but not least, 750 grams of finely chopped pumpkin that I've actually just processed in a food processor, and 750 ml of boiling hot water straight from the kettle. So all we're going to do is turn up the heat, bring it to the boil, and simmer these gorgeous veggies for around about 20 minutes until they're tender. And here it is, just straight from the stove. It's piping hot. Now this is where I'm going to season it. So a nice generous sprinkle of sea salt and also white pepper. And I love using white pepper in my soups or in all my dishes. I find the flavour is a lot milder and it looks a lot better as well. So give it a mix through. Okay, so now all you do is blend the soup until it's lovely, smooth and creamy. So it's as easy as just pouring it into a blender, or you can use a stick blender too if you want. Putting on the lid. And now we blend. Okay, so this is looking wonderful. Check this out. It's steaming hot. I'm going to serve it straight from the blender. And last but not least, I'm going to serve it with a nice big dollop of pesto, but you can serve it with a little bit of yogurt on the top or a little drizzle of olive oil. It's up to you. I'm going to stir it through just slightly and enjoy it with a slice of my milk and honey soda bread. Enjoy.